what exactly is the Aurora Arboretum? It is parkland that is a living tree museum. There are so many trees with names to tell you what they are. There are lots of interconnecting trails that go through forests and meadows, over bridges, around ponds, and along the way there are many, many benches. This is just a wonderful place to spend a day. There's a heron just standing there in this frog pond. Turned on my Merlin app this morning and it just lit up with lots of different types of birds here. So if you like trees, as I do, this is the place for you. There's a lot of video of me sitting on benches today. It just is such a great thing to do here.